Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to show inventory quantity in stock on Shopify product page. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to add it on your Shopify online store, then this tutorial will be very helpful for you. Also, if you want to become a Shopify store designer, developer or customizer, then you must have to continue this video because here you can learn everything from scratch with a step-by-step video guideline, and of course don't worry about the ready code snippet. So I have already published the code snippet on my website e-commerce thesis. Here is the code snippet and you will find this ready code snippet. Looks here, you will find this ready code snippet in the video description. I will share this article link in the video description. So first of all, I want to show you the result, then the importance, then the benefit, everything. So here is the result. You can see that I have added inventory quantity display section, or added a block or box on the product page that display inventory quantity on Shopify product page. And you can see that here is the real quantity number. We don't added any fake number or manual number. It's totally displayed from Shopify directory based on your Shopify product quantity. And you can see that right now it show hurry 50 left in stock. Looks good, but if your product have only stock under 10 item, then the color of this title will be yellow, so that it will be visible or noticeable on your Shopify store customers. Okay, this is second feature. And another one is that, looks very carefully, if your product item only available 2 or under 5, it show red and the fire icon will be appear in here. If you go back in the under 10, then no fire icon, but only if you have 2, 3 or 4 product, then it show a fire icon. But in general, if you have available 50 product in stock or more than 10 product, then it just show a inventory box with green color. So it's very natural. So I hope you understand the benefit. Now I'm going to share everything following my article from my website e-commerce thesis. You see, I have published an article how to show inventory quantity in stock on Shopify product page, and in this video you can know why you need an inventory counter, key feature of an animate stock display. You already see that I have added animate stock display with jumping, then video tutorials. Of course you are watching right now video tutorials, then the ready free code snippet. So first of all, this is very important. Why add an animate inventory counter? Create urgency and FOMO, fear of missing out. That is fear of missing out. Create urgency. If your customer looks this animate box, they feel FOMO, fear of missing out. So they will be more interested to purchase or confirm the order as fast as possible or quickly. Then reduce cart abandonment. In general, many people add product on the cart, but they don't finalize the checkout. But if you display this type inventory highlighter or show the inventory available box, then they will be more interested to complete the checkout. Then a real-time stock counter. This is real-time stock counter. I will show you how it update. You see, but you may have a question that how you can display 3 number of stock in one time, because I have open tab each time, new tab after updating the stock product. From here you see current stock 9, and this is the last time I reload or update. Then while trust with transparency, showing stock level makes your store more trustworthy. Customers appreciate honestly because you are displaying everything in a honest way or very authentically. And you can see that it's generally boost conversion by 5 to 50%. This is really true based on Shopify statistics on e-commerce store and e-commerce business. So I hope you understand the why you should add an animate inventory counter. Then the key feature of this animate inventory display. First of all, jumping effect when stock under 10 or equal 10. You see, here is the jumping effect when stock under 10 or equal 10. Then let me move it. Green pretty stock, orange low stock, red almost gone. So let me show you. Green is pretty stock, orange low stock. Here is the orange low stock. Then the red almost gone. Here's the red color. Then visually show how much stock remain. Great for flash sale. You see. And then work with variant. It's also work automatically with variant. So if your product has any variant, it's display automatically the stock counter. Then mobile friendly. Of course, I have added it with the mobile friendly featured. It's totally support any type of device. So don't worry about mobile device or others device. And finally, here is the ready code snippet. So now your question is that how you can add this feature on your Shopify online store. So let me show you everything from its case. I'm going to close it, and just keep it and go to my Shopify admin panel. So here is my Shopify admin panel. Then click online store. Then click on customize. So here is the Shopify online store customize section. Then you have to go to product section. So click on here. Then product, open product. Then you see here is the counter box. I have added, let me click on the product information. I have added a block name custom code. So I'm going to delete this code, everything from here, delete and delete. Click on the save, and now if you check, you see no counter stock box in here. So how you can add it? Just check out the link in the video description. You will find this article links, and from here simply copy the code. Just click on here, then you can easily copy the code. Then go back the customize section. Here is the customize section, and under the product section just click on the add block, select custom code or custom liquid and paste the code in here. Very easy process, you see. Then click on the save. Now I'm going to reload. You see, here is the quantity number 9, and now we are going to change the product quantity number, make it 50 or 11, more than 10. Then we will show different, no jumping in here. Also color will be changes, green color. So reload again. Yes, you see right now no jumping, also color is green. That's mean it's very pretty stock green. And if I change the product quantity number, make it, for example, we have only 2 product, click on the save. Have you remembered there have 3 options: pretty stock green, orange low stock, red almost gone. So right now it should be show red because we have only 2 items in stock, you see. Also the animate fire icon. So I hope you understand how we can add it very easily without any coding skill, without hiring any developer. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.